Look like someone in the movie.
Drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping 10, Louis 9, ladies dancing 8, Major Melvin selling Swan 6, gasoline 5, golden.
Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I look a mess. Oh. People, please bear with me. It's still so early and I'm trying to get to the beach. I wanted to get to the beach this morning for sunrise, but I wake up late so the sun don't rise, but we're still gonna go to the beach because we're not at that stop way.
In
So
400 meters, turn right onto Michael Manley Boulevard.
I'm doing a little solo day at the beach this morning. Fun. So come along with me.
Yeah.
Guys, I made it to the beach and it's so pretty. Oh my god. My inner child is jumping right now. I'm at Wickie Wackie beach, by the way. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Like this shit look like someone in the movie. I'm doing this by myself. I'm on my first solo date. This is my first solo date. For the year, my hands are shaking because I've been so nervous to do this. This is so beautiful. Look at what I showed up. Bro, look at this. Tell me this isn't straight out of a movie. Tell me this isn't straight out of a freaking movie. What? Like, y'all see the swing? Look at this. This is so beautiful.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know what you like. I really love me. Tell me something else.
I'm planning to crochet. Oh, I see the over this though. I'm gonna stay here, so I like the sign. I want to take one picture here, so yeah. But I'm going to crochet. Like, I'm gonna spend time with myself today. I'm gonna crochet and just take in the waves and meditate a little. Thank God I never bring the bath suit because the water here look rough. But it's so pretty. I need to do this more. Like I always say, I want to go to the beach more, and I'm so glad I finally got the courage to do it. And it's in Kingston, so you see me and not even like me I go far. This is really nice. And that's the thing with solo date, like and self-love even. Like you have to dedicate time for yourself and spend time with yourself and be okay with being alone, be okay with doing things on your own, because I always wait for people for go beach with, and like I can do it myself. So I want to like do this more, like get the courage to just get out and do things on my own, because you can't sit down and wait for everybody for everything. If you have to sit down and wait for everybody for everything with you, something you just never gonna do. So you just have to get up and do it yourself and just trust that you'll be okay. Because right now I'm here with two people. I don't know if them nice. I say morning to them say morning back. So but yeah, this is really, I'm just gonna meditate and crochet for the next 2 hours. I'm gonna take some pictures of the beach really. But yeah, I'm very glad I'm doing this, and I feel like everyone should do this. Like go out right now. You don't have to go to the beach by yourself necessarily, but just do something on your own. Something where you've been one do where you wait for everybody to do. Just get out and do it, girl. up an unemployed girlie. Random mornings at the beach. I reach a good distance, I think, in this, because usually it takes me longer to even reach here. I don't know, see it good. But usually it takes me longer to reach even there. And I did that in 20 minutes, which is crazy to me, because I've never crocheted this much so quick. Because I always watch TV or I do something while I crochet, so now I'm just listening to the sound of the ocean and focusing on crocheting, and I feel so at peace. Like when I crochet, like people always ask, I don't know how you do it, I don't know how you do it, but you see when I'm crocheting, like I'm not hear nothing, I'm not feel no emotion. I just me and crocheting, and the waves just make it so much, like so much more relaxing for me, so much more enjoying. I'm definitely doing this again. Like shit, I want to come back this week and do this again, because this is really relaxing, and it really is just helping me to focus, like tunnel vision and my crocheting. This is peaceful. This is peace. This is the type of peace I want to wake up to every day. Right, I'm gonna go in the water. I dip my foot in the water, and then I think I can eat something and then leave. Let's grab something to eat real quick and then leave. Can I rest this camera here? Ooh. The wrist. No risk, no reward, so them say.
That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever.
I never do this all along. Like, what was I waiting on to do this? Was I really waiting on people? But I just did this myself all along. Little big wave. Ooh. All of my legs wet now. All my feet are dirty, and I never really think about the sand where would I reach from my foot. I'ma just clean out my car. What to do? What to do? Go back up and eat. I'm a hungry man. A hungry man is a hungry man. I like collecting shells when I go to the beach. Like every time I go to the beach, I collect a shell. But I don't think this beach has shells. It has pebbles. Not shells though. Guys, I found a spot. So pretty. So I'm gonna take some pictures here, so. Or videos really. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Got a snack and a Delight. Y'all know I swear by Delight. Delight need to sponsor both. I soon get bigger Delight. I soon have to start sponsoring because I love this. I bought this chips at National. I don't like it though. Sweet potato chips, yellow sweet potato. I don't like it. I like it at all. It's about time for making it. Found you wasn't waiting, waking up. Now you can sit up there and miss your touch. I needed you, I needed you. Needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I could pass on with you. Won't you? Can I tell you something? Why is what we've had in the place on nothing? Taste it to you, show you something you want to know. We've had in this place on nothing. Take you away, take you away.
fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time will make it no time. The time you wasn't with me, walking down. Now you never said I couldn't you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you.
The next day.
But tonight, guys, we're going to a member exclusive bar. It's called Republic Jamaica, and exciting TikTok it. I'm gonna pick up my friend now. We're doing it like a girls' night type of thing. So just come with me. I think this will be like a weekly vlog, honestly, because I should have been videoing the get ready with me and all of that, and I wasn't. So there they are, waiting on me, being late as usual. Yeah, but let's go. Guys, we reached and we're walking to the restaurant now. Oh gosh, we asked the security where it was, and he said all the way down, so I have to walk all the way down.
That's it. You just want a foreign girl. That's it. I told him I want the world. That's it. Gucci dress and Fendi fur. Oh,
Guys, we're reached. They so if I press the buzzer and somebody will come to it.
yeah, that's it. I don't love nobody first. That's it. But you made this square. That's it. So that I bitch to hit the curb. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Put her in foreign whips. I carry the Drake no 6. Told her to carry my flicks. I'm in a party. We getting naughty. She sipping my Cardi. She listen to Cardi. Cardi. She like to party. Day and night like she Kid Cardi. I know she want me. Ooh, that's it. She know I'm gon' rule the world. That's it. Fucking this bitch, I make her twerk. That's it. She know she don't have to work. That's it. Fucking this bitch, I make her ooh.
That's it. You just want a foreign girl. That's it. I told him I want the world. That's it.
The next day.
Today we're putting up a like Christmas tree. Wait, mama get my hat. It's a bit twisted. But wait, mama bring it forward more. Yeah. Today we're putting out the Christmas tree. So I do have a lot of Christmas prep left to do. Like I have to shell the gungo, I have to make the cereal, I have to season up the meat, I have to buy the meat, we have to go to the supermarket to do supermarket shopping because we haven't done that yet. It's 9 days until Christmas, so we have time, can do it, but I want to do it now. We need to get that meat should have been seasoned, okay? Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be putting on a Christmas tree. I haven't gotten to put it up all along because I've been doing exams and life's just been like, it hasn't been kicking my ass, to be honest, because I've been going out, I've been outside, but you know, I had exams. Like, I have to be balancing exams with outside. And honestly, this is the best I've felt in the exam season, and I think I should have been doing this all along, going outside more during the exam season. Don't recommend, but it works for me. If it works for me, I'm gonna do it. But no more going out all I have somewhere for go tomorrow. But today we're staying home. We're gonna do a little studying, and I'm gonna put up this Christmas tree today because I've been delaying this. So, oh, when I did so on my go out though, I went to Republic Jamaica. That's what it's called on Instagram. You guys can go and check them out. How I got there, they invited me. They've been inviting me from summer, but I was in the country in the summer. So I'm in the country now, I'm back in the country. So they invited me again, and I went, and it was a vibe. It gave exclusive, it gave expensive, it gave rich, it gave bougie, it gave everything it was supposed to give. It gave my vibe. That's my vibe. Like, sorry, but the whole club thing, what we are going to there, make a taboo, me not depend that. So just a little sit down, a little nice ambience, a little drinks. So if you're a restaurant and you're like that, invite me. I'll come. if the drinks are free, I'll be there. But yeah, it is kind of ish on the pricier side. Like, what you pay for drinks there is not what you'd pay for drinks somewhere else, but you are paying for the exclusivity, I guess. So if you get invited, don't deny them. Go try it out, check it out, become a member if you want, if you're on that type of vibe. For real, be a member. It's nice. I like it. Not me giving them a free promo, but it's nice. It's really nice. I'd go back. I'd definitely go back, and I'm gonna bring more of my friends there. Yeah. But today I got rested and everything. We came in at 3 a.m. though, and I was too tired and too annoyed to continue vlogging, so I just didn't. Because I did tired, man. I did tired, proper tired. At exam time, like, I should be in bed by the latest 12 o'clock. I wasn't expecting to be out that late, but got in. I had to wake up back at 5. Going to bed at 3. I had to wake up back at 5. It was a lot, but enough talking. We're gonna do this cute Christmas tree montage type of thing. Yeah. Wanna see that tree already? I'm using it back because this will always be my theme. This tree will always be in my theme. So got my white tree. I found a nasty white tree, giving snow, giving they're foreign, and the snow covered the tree. But I'm in Jamaica. I got these bows to put on it. I got these gold bows. My theme this year is gold and white, so I got these gold bows to put on it. I also have this star to put on the top. I bought 2 packs of gold balls because my tree is very small, so I'm gonna think I need more than this. If I need more than this, I do have gold balls from last year, so I'll be putting them on as well. And I also have these flowers from last year. Like, I think I bought things last year low-key for this year as well, because yeah, I have gold ball, I have gold flowers, I have gold bowl, and I have the thing that you wrap around the light. Yeah, and I have my light that's gonna go around the tree, and it's gold. So Merry Christmas! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And this safe? I don't know. And a Happy New Year. Alright, we're going to put up that tree and I want to stop going with my antiques, yeah? So, I'm going to put on some Christmas music.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shawty with you. Shawty with you. Under the mistletoe.
Guys, I got these boxes in it, and I don't know if I should hang them on the tree. Should they go on the tree? Like, is this a tree ornament, or it will go on the ground? Because I mean, it could go. Oh, it's not a tree. Oh, it just, okay, never mind. I think these are supposed to go on the floor. But it's cute so far. Now I'm gonna add the bows and the flowers and the stars.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spend so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow. I will be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be
know, should I add the flowers still? I'm not showing you the flowers. Should I add the flowers? Or just, I think I'm gonna add the bows first. And then, wait there. Let me see. Let's see. Because I hate when the Christmas trees be doing too much. But then again, it's Christmas. So, like, it's like go big or go home, right? I'm just gonna add it in the sparse areas. Yeah, I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna do it in the sparse areas. Moment. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The next day.
Movie date.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us.
Quality is tea. Clock it, clock it. So these are my favorites from Shein, and then we got a lot of packages from Amazon. A lot of packages from Amazon. For me, I got these blackout curtains, and it's literally black. So I feel like if I go, hey, want me look here? Not like now come through, you know? Black out her. So I got some curtains for Moana, and I also got me a satin sheet set because we're trying to be luxurious this Christmas. So we're sleeping on satin per. And then what else is it? Let me put this next to it. This other pre-packaged from Shein. See what's in there. I hope this is, yeah, this is from Shein. Okay, mommy, this is yours. I don't know, I love free jewelry. I love jewelry. So I'm a jewelry girl. So we got this bracelet set. It tangle up. Okay, got some bangles and some belts. This is a set of 3. Right there. How much color is this? 3, yeah. No, 4.
I tried to fix it for him to show you.
Got white, brown, and nude. Yeah, man, we need them belts here. We need some belts. And I'm glad we got it in these neutral colors. We can go with everything. We also got more bracelets. Oh, mommy, this is a nice bracelet today. I love something like it I wear.
It look alright.
And then Hellenic bracelet. Obsessed. Nice. This is this quality. Ooh, tea, clock it. Clock that tea. The quality on this, nice. Thick. The mirror thinner. Ring set. one bag of free things. Run out now for the free things then from Shein. Yeah, I got some rings because I feel like I need more statement rings. So I got some. Put them on Shein. Yeah, you're not really losing with buying these things. So yeah, and these. Yeah, I love jewelry. I love gold jewelry now, so I'm glad I could cop some for freezies on Shein. Yeah, so that's my decision. Oh, mama showing the bathroom stuff what we get from Amazon. But no, sorry, I just go from Shein to Amazon to Shein to Amazon. But the bathroom stuff that we got is tea. I picked it, obviously. This whole set, we got it from our Black Friday sale. So this is the trash can, and then you have the soap dispenser, the soap dish. I'm going to take this dish, I don't care. Yeah, the soap dish, really nice. You even get a plastic shower curtain, that's convenient. You get the shower hooks, like the hook where you used to put up the shower curtain, the toothbrush holder, and you get like the mouthwash cup. And we also get the brush where you used to clean out tidy. Real nice, real nice. Oh, and the shower curtain, obviously. Real nice. And today guys, Moana was really nice. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. I feel like it could have been better, but it was really nice. Like at one point I did start bad and my boyfriend like, Kelly, a cartoon. I'm like, shh. But it was good. Brought out some tears. It make you happy, like me that clap, and yeah, it was nice. I can't wait for part 3 to come out. That's my type of movie. Moana is my type of movie. I loved it. Yeah, the 4DX experience was really nice. I'm glad I got to experience it. Mommy, the chair them a shake up and down. You feel like you're in a roller coaster. And breeze a blow up on you. It was a whole experience. Okay. What name, mother? But yeah, that's all for my haul and my date night. I never vlog much because we did reach late, but it was a really good night. Just take it from me. Go and try 4DX at Carib. Go and watch Moana. Yeah, take your girlfriend out on a date. I'm talking to you. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.